Hi, my name is Ben. I'm an engineer at Sienci Labs, and I'll be showing you how to assemble the 4x8 AltMill. In this video, I'll be going over how to install the spindle. If you've purchased the ATC, this video does not apply to you. There is a separate assembly video dedicated towards the installation of the ATC. It is important that you complete the entire 4x8 build before moving on to install the ATC. Place the spindle mount against the Z-axis gantry plate with the spindle clamping screws on the right side. Begin attaching the spindle mount to the gantry plate using two M6 shoulder screws, beginning on the top right side, then the top left side. Tighten the two M6 shoulder screws, then install two M6x25 button head cap screws on the bottom two holes of the mounting bracket. Rotate the Z-axis ball screw using your hand to bring the Z-axis gantry plate to the middle of its travel. Loosen the clamping screws on the right side of the spindle mount to allow you to fit the spindle into the mount. Before you insert the spindle into the mount, be sure to place the packaging for the spindle underneath the Z-axis assembly so that the spindle does not fall through the mount and onto the floor. Insert the spindle into the mount and rest it on the packaging. Adjust the height of the Z-axis mount until the tip of the spindle is 6.5 inches away from the bottom of the mount. Once the spindle is in the correct location, tighten the clamping screws. Be sure to watch the next video in the series to continue the assembly.